Bro. Animal company. Fix your fucking it. So I just fucking got on Animal Company. Cause I just got on band today. So like at the other time I said, what the fuck are you doing? I said it again. One single fuckity fuck time. And then I just magically get banned for a month. Like, bro.
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, bro. The fact that you said the N-word is crazy.
Hey, bro. Let's
What?
tag you. Dang, how are they cooking with only one hand?
No, there's Cadillac. Can I confirm?
Got him. GG's, whoever tagged me.
Got him. Got him this time. GG's.
Alright, Necker. I got my controller.
Sorry, tag you.
Yeah, mouth, bro.